name is Cameron Oglesby, and I'm a Master of Public Policy candidate at the Sanford School focused in environmental policy, environmental justice, and corporate sustainability. I came to Sanford because I realized that in environmental work, environmental justice work, a firm understanding of public policy, the way that people make policy, make decisions, but also the systems that perhaps create injustices and inequities in environmental hazards and access, was critical, something I should know, something I should learn. This Wilson lecture, titled Environmental Justice Past, Present, and Future, and featuring Reverend Dr. Benjamin Chavis and Catherine Coleman Flowers, attempts to provide a grounding for those who may not be familiar with environmental justice in what the movement is, where it started, and what our role as citizens, community members, and scholars is in promoting the work of equity within environmental spaces and policy.
I see young people demanding climate justice, not waiting for the politicians and not even waiting for the public policymakers. I think that's healthy.
I'm a grandparent, and I don't think that any grandparent or parent out there can sit idly by and not let our children have a future. And if we do not address climate change and environmental justice, there will be no future for them. And that drives me every day to do all I can do.
What I'm hoping to do in my work is to ensure that environmental justice and community voices, community perspectives, community knowledge is central, is core to the work that's taking place to address environmental issues. If Duke is going to commit itself to climate change, addressing the climate crisis, addressing environmental issues across the globe, then it cannot do so without making environmental justice and environmental equity core to its mission. We as people, as students coming here to better ourselves and develop new skills, have an obligation to use those skills for the betterment of society. It is our job to point out the injustices and do everything in our power to address them and create a world that is best for everyone and everything.